So hey, what's up guys? Today I'm back with a new Python tutorial video, and in this Python tutorial video I'm going to talk about how to add and remove items from a tuple and also dictionaries. So first let me talk about how to add and remove items from a tuple. So to do that, first I'm gonna make a tuple real quick. I'm gonna name it T and let me make it a tuple in simple parentheses as you guys learned in the last video. So I'm just gonna store 1 and 2, there's 2 in space, and then 3, 4, and 5. So here's my tuple. Now I wanna add 6 at the end. So if you guys didn't know, you can add 2 tuples together. That's what Python can do. So we could use that cheat to just add values into our tuple. It can add 2 tuples together, like 2 tuples. So 2 tuples can join together, so that's good. So to add, I'm gonna type T is equal to T plus, so I'm adding, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna make a tuple real quick over here, and then I'm gonna put 6, but now it's gonna give you an error because it's thinking it's just 6 in parentheses, and I can't add that to my tuple. So to fix that, you just put a comma, and here you go. My problem's gone. Let me run it. Oh, I did not print it. I was like, what? It's not working. So print T, and let's run that real quick. So as you see, guys, the result had added 6 inside it. So that's a good way of adding stuff. You can do the same thing with lists, and I can add like multiple values if I want. I want to add 7 also, and then I want to add 8, and then I print that out. And so here we go, guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I add 6 7 8 at the end. For proof, I'm gonna print T before 2. Oh no, not white T. And here we go. So it was 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, and then I had 6 7 8 at the end using this method. Now I want to remove 2 from here. So all I need to do is, it's gonna be a little bit hard to understand, but it's fine. So first, let me talk about how to print multiple index values. Like, I want to print 2 and 3. So 2 is at the first and 3 is at the second one. So to print that, I'll type print T square brackets to access them, as I told you in the last video. And I want to access the first and the second value, but to access that, I'll type colon and 3. So you'll just make 1 extra, like put it 1 mark forward, then Python will go here like you do in loops. Yeah. So see, I print 2 and 3 from here. So this is gonna be the same method we're gonna use to remove them out of there. So I am going to make a new tuple. I'm gonna name it T2, my second tuple, and then I have a tuple with me. I have another tuple, and that tuple is going to equal to, I don't need the parentheses, T in square brackets. So I just want to remove like 2 and 3, for example, yeah. So I want to remove 2 and 3, or just 2 for a start. So first, the index value of 2 is 1. So I'll put colon first, and then I'm gonna put my index number. And then I'm gonna use the add method, and then I'm gonna just type down the second number after 1, like it's 2. So I'm gonna use add, and then I'm gonna type t square brackets 2, and then a colon. Now I'm gonna print t2 real quick. Print t2, and yeah, and let me run that. And as you guys see, 2 is not there in t2. Yeah, so that's how I remove values from a tuple. And if you want to remove multiple values, like the value of 3 is at number 2. So 3 is a number 2, and I'm gonna remove from 1 till 2. So as I told you guys, you just put one number forward. It's the second one, so I'm just gonna make this to 3. Yeah, so Tuple C, and then here you go. So I don't have 2, 3 anymore. Yeah, and to make t into t2, I'm gonna remove this, print t, and I'm gonna do t is equal to t2. How about that? So now t is equal to t2, and if I print t, it's still like that. So now t is this. So that's pretty nice. Or I think you don't need to create another tuple. I just recognize. Oh no. Why did I remove that? So remove that, and then I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, so you can do that. You just do that, and that's more simpler. You don't need to even create another tuple, and that's just removing 2 and 3, and that's pretty simple. So now let's talk about dictionaries real quick. So dictionaries are defined with these squiggly brackets, and it is also used to store multiple values, but you can at the same time define them, the multiple values. So in dictionaries you store variables, so that's pretty nice. So first let me make a dictionary. D is equal to squiggly brackets, and yeah. So here I have my dictionary. Now I can, as I said, I can define the values. So I want to define 1 as, to define, you use colon as 1. The integer 1 as the string 1 as 1. So there you go. And to separate, you use commas, as easy as that. And then I want to define 2. And I'm just gonna do this real quick, and then I'll do 3, and then I'm gonna do 4, and at last I'm gonna do 5. So here I have my dictionary. So here you can store all your values you want in just one single place. So dictionaries are very helpful in really big code. and you can just store multiple things inside. So, for example, I want to access 1 over here real quick. So I'll just type down D to access square brackets, and then I'm gonna for example, I want to access 3. Let me change 3 to the string 3. Yeah. So now it's in the string 3, and then I'm gonna do that. I'll type down this, and then I'm gonna type down my key name. So these things in dictionaries are known as keys, not variables. So let me just show you guys real quick. And I'm gonna print that, and there we go. Let me run that and see, it's just printing 3 from here. I can use that anywhere. So now, for example, I wanna add a value in my dictionary. Instead of dot append as we use in lists, we're gonna do D dot update. So use update instead of using that, and then you put your key in there, and I want to make a new key 6, and then I'm gonna name colon, and that's gonna be 6. Oh, what's happening? Why is it giving me an error? Oh no. Oh, you're just updating, not adding, right? I don't know, guys. What's happening? Is it giving me an error? What's the error real quick? Saying this. Is this the error? No. Oh wait. What a 5 word here. Sorry guys, I don't know. I'm gonna talk about this in the next video, I think. How to add, cause it's just not working right now. I think I only have a problem in the script. So this was it for this video. I'm going to check out how to just fix this problem real quick in the next video. So bye guys.